Hi, this is the video for my task 6.2C, and in here I'll be starting with the GitHub. So in here, as you can see, this is my repository 6.2C task with the name, and this is my Jenkins file. This is my program.cs. I'll be explaining the Jenkins file, but first of all, I'm just showing this is my random project from my backend task, and this is my Jenkins file. I'll be explaining this code in the script from the Jenkins. And in GitHub, I have used the webhook. As you can see from the settings, this is my webhook. If I open it, yes, as you can see, I have included the HTTP port for the Jenkins, and I have enabled the SSL verification, and I have also enabled this feature, just the push event, and I have updated the webhook. My webhook is updated, and in here, this is my system configuration settings, and I'll be showing the changes that I have made in order to push the email from one account to another. I have used the SMTP server as the default, and I have used @gmail.com. This is the mail from which I am sending, and this is the mail in which I am receiving. So this is my port, and I have used this password from here, as you can see from my inbox, and this is my inbox. From here, I have used the password for this from my mail for the two-step verification I'm mentioning, and after that I have used the same port. This is my code, and I have applied it, and I've also saved it. So as you can see, this is my task, and now I'll be explaining the script, and first of all, I'll be showing what is actually happening. So as you can see, in earlier, it was a failure, but I have built a pipeline, and now I'll be explaining the script, and I'll be showing that why my fourth one is built. My 3.1 was built because I have built the pipeline, and my fourth one is because that I have updated it in it. I have updated the program.cs, so that's why my fourth one was built in here due to that, because it was updated. And now I'll be explaining the script code. As you can see, this is my configure, and these are my general settings for that, and these are all the things that I have made. I have ticked the GitHub hook trigger for the GTS polling, and I have also used the poll SCM. And this is my script. I'm explaining it right now. So this is the email that I'm using, and as you can see, this is my email that I'm using, and this is the repository link from my GitHub. And in here I have used the triggers, I have used the checkout code, and this basically helps me in pulling the latest code from the GitHub. And this is my build stage. I have explained it in the earlier task. This is my unit for the staging environment, and this is my code analysis. So basically it it analyzes the code, and it shows performing code analysis. So if it is successful, then it will just put on the email to the email recent, and my email recent is this one, my receiving email. And after that, this is the deploying stage, this is the integrating stage, and this is the deploy as it is same. And as you can see, it is the post failure. If any of the stages fail, then it will just show Jenkins build failed and the Jenkins pipeline has failed, check log for details. So it is basically used for any of the body. For example, if any one of these get failed, then this one will just show up for that. So this is my script, and now I'll be showing that how I am updating and how I am doing. So I'll be showing it now. For example, if I remove any one of the lines from here, for example, I'll edit it first. Yeah. So for example, if I remove any one of the line from here, and I'll commit the changes, and if I'll go back, yeah. So as you can see, it is updated right now. So we'll be waiting for 2 minutes. So now as you can see, it's been 6 minutes now. So usually it takes around 2 minutes. So if we'll see now, yes, we have built 5 stages in here. As you can see, earlier there were only 4. Now there are 5 in total. If we ignore these 2, there are 1. It's about the basic pipeline that we built. It's again about the updation, and again an updation that I have shown in this video is about this 5th one. we have used. So this was my task in which I explained the webhooks, I explained about my script code, I explained what were the changes that I did in my system configuration, and I've also shown this. Now I'll be showing the most important part. It's about the emails that I was getting. So the emails were like this. Like first one was like the test email, then the build stage email, again the test stage, code analysis, security scan, testing, production deployment, and it's this final one, it's the completed one. So these were all the mails that I received, and these were in the Augusta Kapoor 41 that we were receiving, and this one, the Chitkara one, we were sending it, and this email was receiving it. So this is an email, as you can see, in which I have received all the emails. So this is my task, and this was the video. Thank you so much.